Welcome back, guys. It's good to see you. I've spent the past 4 days in the Northeast. I am currently standing on Massachusetts soil, to be more specific, on the outskirts of Boston. And I've got a free day. I got nothing to do but fish. But the only problem is I don't know where the hell to start. I've fished here twice. I've caught maybe 13 or 14 bass in the entire state of Massachusetts. So I don't know much about this place. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rely on good old-fashioned Google Maps to help me find some bodies of water on here. Last time I filmed one of these videos, you guys loved it. It got over 380,000 views. Thank you so much, that was insane. But seeing that as I'm in completely new and fresh territory, I thought this would be especially interesting. I'm gonna pick 3 bodies of water, all specifically located and found on Google Maps. And I've got roughly around an hour and a half to 2 hours to fish each spot. After that hour, I gotta jump to the next spot, and the next spot, and the goal is to catch at least one decent sized largemouth bass or smallmouth at every stop on Google Maps. I hopefully won't get lost today, and especially hope that I catch some fish. Join me on this fishing mission. I'm gonna rely all my hopes and dreams on Google Maps today. You better not let me down, because if you do, I'm gonna be so pissed. Okay, let's go find some water. Check out this first spot, see how good this one is. I don't want to get all the rods out, get there and be like, oh, this looks like trash. I kind of want to scope it out, get a lay of the land, and if it's good, I get the twigs out and I make some casts. But for now, I just want to make sure we're fishing some productive water. Oh, here's a great sign. Warning, Sudbury River fish contaminated with mercury, do not eat. Are you kidding me? I've never seen that sign before. Take a quick gander at this. It doesn't look awful. I mean, it doesn't look great, but it definitely doesn't look awful. I don't know, I was kind of hoping for more than this. That's the thing with, oh look, snake. That's the problem with Google Maps, is you can only tell just so much about the spot until you actually pull up on it and get the lay of the land in person. And right now, I'm seeing nothing. Strike number 1, I'm gonna try some more spots around here. Probably gonna stay away from this river. Definitely not gonna fish anything that has Sudbury on it. Sudbury, more like Dustbury. You guys are not gonna believe this. This is insane. So long story short, I'm still at the river. I was just about to leave the spot, but I'm like, I'm not gonna give up that easy. I mean, how cool would it be to catch a fish out of a toxic river? So, oh my God, it's huge. You guys gotta see this. It's so giant. Look at the size of that thing. Are you kidding me? That thing is enormous. Like, so big. That's about a 30-pound carp just grubbing. I'm gonna see if I can channel my inner Carl and Alex right now and catch this carp. Okay, let's see if we can make this happen. I don't know, no promises, but I'm gonna try. Have a good one. Thanks. There we go. Here is the gas station come up. I've got some Rachel's Gourmet chocolate chip pound cake bread, beef and pork stick, some Kraft mozzarella cheese, and a tuna salad sandwich. I'm hoping these carp are used to eating really shitty gas station food, because that's exactly what I'm gonna try to feed them. I just have to be very stealthy. I've got one shot of this. Wish me luck. Definitely just gonna hop the fence. Just gonna wait for all the cars to pass, and then I'm going over. Oh, that's an easy jump. That's an easy jump. Just gotta make sure there's no cops around, no police officers. Okay, I'm going for it. There we go. Okay, here goes nothing. You know, when trying something new, it's pretty easy to tell if you suck shit at it. Carp fishing is one of those things that I just can't do. I'm so bad at it. I ran out of bread. I didn't catch any carp. 3 times I could have gotten in front of some burly bruisers. Seeing that I didn't pack the bread right, the bread floated above the carp opposed to getting down in front of its face. I genuinely think if I had any carp skills, I probably could have at the very least hooked one. Screw the carp though, that's a big old bust in my book. Jeezy Pete. Okay, we are at spot number 2. This lake is adjacent to Wesley College. It's got a lot of grass, the water looks fairly clear, and there's one person fishing it. That's it. So me and this guy are gonna share this body of water. I've got the spinning rod, straight braid with a little tiny octopus hook, and on that I've got a GYB Senko, the classic. Okay, next step, find some fish. Damn, this spot's got turtles and freaking bluegills, man. Heck yeah. Whoa, what's going on here? This looks pretty wild. Any bass lurking? Oh, man, there's a ton of gills. Oh, there's a largemouth right there. There's a largemouth right there. Your boy about to get himself a largie in like 2 inches of water. You guys ready for this? Oh, he had it. Oh my God, you suck. I'm the worst bass angler known to man. This is brutal. Darn it. About to yoke one in the noggin. That's a fish right there. I'm gonna catch one. Look, he's coming at it. Oh, I just got bit. Oh, that was not a small bluegill. That right there was not a small bluegill at all. What's that? This is sick. I found a little creek that dumps into this lake. And there are fish over here, man. There are some fish. Free Senko, come on. Get your free Senko. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, I have lost so many fish today. Massachusetts does not like John B. I need to get another hobby. Maybe I'll pick up tennis. Big one. There we go. I'm on. Whew. Whew. About time I got one. Oh no, don't put me in the grass. Don't do that. Oh, he's got followers. This fish is pulling me. Come on, get in here. Oh, yes. First bass of the day. Yeah, first bass of the day. I hesitated there because I caught a creek chub at the last spot, but I think that fish might be dead. Pretty nice creek chub. Oh God, there he goes. I really needed that. It's so hot out here. The bite is so slow. All I was asking for is one little tiny bite. And that's what I got. Good fish. First mass bass of the season. First fish of the day. I'm like really struggling today, guys. This has been a hard video for me to film, but I finally prevailed. I got a nice fish and I'm happy with this guy. Get down there, buddy. Be free. Oh, love it. Right now I'm gonna give you guys a quick peek at what this spot right here looks like via aerial view from Google Earth. Started at a pond up there, which is really close to Wesley College, and then I followed this creek all the way down to this pond behind me. Anytime you find moving water, especially in the hot summer months, you can pretty much guarantee there's gonna be fish there. And thus far I've had 3 bites in this area, a ton of bluegill. The water is crystal clear, and it's gonna be a lot cleaner, a lot cooler, and a lot more oxygenated than any other area in this entire pond. I pretty much can guarantee that, unless there's a spring. Yeah, but this is a spot in which I found 100% off Google Maps. It worked out. I'm pumped that it worked out, and I've got a lot of water left to fish. I'm gonna fish around this area, and then after I'm done fishing this spot for about 45 minutes, I'm gonna jump to the very last spot of the day, which should have a big fish in it. At least I'm guessing, or at least I'm hoping, I'm wishing. All right, let's keep casting, enough talking. How about that? Yes. I'm going in. Hi, duck. How's it going, duck? Any fish back here? No way, I got one. Oh my God, that's so sick. That's so sick, that's so sick. Get in here, get in here. Oh my God, that was inches of water. I threw right in the middle of that current. There's a slack piece right here with a little bit of marshiness, and then right in front of me is a nice steady stream of water. Threw right there, twisted it twice. This guy came up behind it and yoked it. You can tell these fish are sitting in ambush points, just waiting for bait. There's no other reason for them to be in the current other than the fact that they're using it for feeding purposes. Like, you don't expect to catch like 5-pounders out of stuff like this, but it's just fun to watch them come up and eat in such like sticky situations like this. Well, I think I've extended my welcome for this little creek boardwalk spot. Oh, I can't say I've ever caught a bass on a boardwalk before. This is nuts. This is legitimately a stream that runs adjacent to a swamp, and in the stream, there's bass and bluegill. It's so cool, man. I love catching this way. They may not be giant, they may not be big GTs or 10-pound Mexico bass, but you cannot deny that this isn't fun. Here, I'm gonna dip on out, round everything up, and look for the very last spot on this Google Maps fishing challenge. Here we go. Oh my God, I picked the worst day to do this challenge. I got copious amounts of nipple sweat going on, swamp ass present. I feel like I'm about to go into a heat stroke. I gotta find spot number, oh God, this is gonna be warm. That was horrible. That was like just below boiling. Okay, so I still have to find spot number 3. Okay, now I'll admit, I want to put myself in a situation where I'm close to the first spot where the carp are at, because I'd like at least one more swing at that area. I think it would be so rad if I caught a carp in that tiny little creek, but no promises. Anyway, I gotta focus. Spot number 3, where am I going to drop in at? This lake is called Farm Pond. It's not actually a farm pond, it's a suburban pond in the middle of the suburbs of Boston. So why would they call it Farm Pond? Okay, this is it. Last and final spot. I'll meet you there. A little bit of a detour. On the way to the 3rd spot, and I saw something that really caught my eye. I'm gonna check it out. Could be a bust, but it could be juice. I don't know how I'm gonna land a fish if I do hook up. It's gonna be pretty interesting. Play it by ear, one step at a time. Let's first make some casts. Oh, there's a fish. I'm on, I got one. It's a good one too. It's a good one. Oh my God, no way. This is crazy. I gotta get him over this cage. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get him over the cage. Come on, you can do this. Oh, no way. Roadside fishing, baby. I've never in a million years done this. Pulled up to a spot that is right next to the road, cast over chain link, and caught a largemouth bass on a shaky head. That's just so weird. This feels so strange right now. I don't know what to think. This is not the spot that I wanted to fish. This is on the way to the spot, and I saw it on maps, and I was like, all right, I gotta try it. Thankfully, there's a parking lot right there. There's a big lake here, and across these train tracks is another lake, and they connect right here, so there's a ton of current pushing under here. Sorry if I'm blabbering. I'm just really pumped right now. This is so sick. Here you go. Get back down there. Meow. Yeah, nice dive. That's a big carp. That's a big carp right there. Oh my God, the carp just ate the... Oh my God, the carp just ate the bread. Oh my God, that carp just ate the bread. Oh, I'm on. What do I have? What is this? Oh, nice creek chub. Nice creek chub. Oh my God, the craziest stuff happened. I'm back at the Toxic Creek. I'm beating a dead horse right now. And I had one of the carp come up and smoke my bread. Like, he ate it mid-surface, almost like a bass would eat a wacky worm. I keep throwing it in there and I'm getting a lot of pecks. And finally, I've caught what these little pecks are, and it's a nice creek chub. Oh, he's pretty big. Look at the size of that guy. Toxic fish. It's really pretty for a poisonous fish. Definitely one of my biggest creek chub I've ever caught in the United States. That's not a bad fish. Take you back in the water. See you later, bud. Nice. There we go. Oh my gosh, another creek chub. Creek chub madness. Creek chub madness. I don't even know where these guys are coming from. I'm not even seeing a single creek chub. The only thing I see in this whole body of water are a bunch of carp. Another decent one. They're eating the bread. I went into Subway and I was like, yo, can you guys just give me a bread sandwich? And they're like, yeah, sure, but you have to pay full price for it. So that's how I got my bread. There's no grocery store. Oh God. There's really like no grocery store around here anywhere I can get any decent bread. So I had to get creative with it. It's like a little mini carp. Get back in there. See you, bud. Oh, I can feel the mercury on my hands right now. I know what's gonna happen. I keep getting these creek chub bites. I'm gonna think it's another creek chub. I'm gonna set the hook and the drag is just gonna go zzz. I know it. This is setting up perfectly for a scenario in which I feel like I'm catching creek chubs, and the next bite I'm gonna get is definitely 100% not gonna be a creek chub. Oh, there we go. Just got bit. Come on now. Oh, another one. Good bite. There we go. That's not a small fish. That's not a small fish. That's not a creek chub. That's not a creek chub. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's not a creek chub. That is not a creek chub. Don't come off. Don't come off. I'm about to get run. I'm about to get ran out. I finally got one. I finally got one. Oh my God, look at this. He's all the way over the other side of the creek right now. He's about to pop me off. I know he is. Stop that. Just don't get in the brush. As long as he doesn't get in the brush, I'm good. He's slowing down. Just don't come off. Just don't come off. Show up. Oh my God, I got a minute left on my GoPro. I gotta land this fish in 1 minute. This is epic. I did it, boys. I freaking did it. Oh my God. I finally hooked one. It's big too. It's like probably one of my biggest carp ever. It's so giant. I got 12-pound leader, 20-pound main line, small hook, tiny bass hook. it's huge. It's one of the biggest carp I ever caught. Oh my God, I just need everything to hold. Guys, my GoPro's about to shut off right now because I'm out of battery, or I'm out of charge. Just bear with me, I'm going to keep fighting this fish, okay? And once I get it close, I'm gonna delete some clips. I'm so glad I came back. This is redemption, baby. This is redemption. Oh my God, it's huge. It's ginormous. It's the one. It's the freaking one I saw. Oh my God, look at me swimming upstream. He's swimming up the current right now. I don't even care if I don't catch this fish. I'm just so stoked to say I hooked him. True beast. True beast. There she is. There's a nice layer of mud right here. I have no idea how I'm gonna get this fish in. I might have to go out and get her. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to go out and get her. Look at the size of that brute. She could kick at any point in time. She's like probably skin hooked too, just barely hooked. Oh my God. That is definitely one of my biggest carp ever. In the US, no doubt, biggest carp ever. All right, I'm gonna delete some clips. Stay with me, guys. This is sick. Oh God, there he goes. He's not done yet. Oh my God, that's incredible. Just like that, he just goes. He's not done yet. My shoes are full of water. Come back here, you're done. You're supposed to be done. Come on, Bubby. Come on, Bubby, get in here now. We're done playing. Get in here, you big old burly monster. Oh, got her by the tail. She didn't like that. Nope, she definitely did not like that. Carp don't like it when you grab them by the tail, just a heads up. I just want to touch him. Oh wow, I definitely got some water in my mouth. That's great. Yes! Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna set the GoPro down. This right here is why you live by the motto, keep fishing, never stop. I fished this place 3 times today. It was the dustiest, probably the most dangerous spot I fished today, but I knew it was gonna be the most rewarding if I just stuck it out. We're talking beast. Look at that beast. Just a stud, absolute stud. Going for the release on the Massachusetts brute. Look at this tiny little hook I was using. Most people think going after big fish, you gotta use big hooks. Couldn't be any more wrong. Wow, I am covered in mud. Alrighty, geez, take it easy. I'm already soaked in enough mercury. Believe me, if I'm gonna die tomorrow, it's gonna be because of you. This right here is the biggest, most poisonous carp you will ever see, folks. Just take one last gander at this before she's gone. Woo! That is what I'm talking about. See you, Mercury. Take care. I love you. And that concludes today's mission. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Be sure to give this video a strong like and make sure to subscribe. I don't do this stuff for myself. I do it for you guys. Hope you guys are staying safe, catching fish. And as always, keep fishing. Never stop.